Get ready for the dictation. Under Article 226 of the Constitution, by granting relief to the writ petitioners who are now respondents 2 and 3 in this appeal, stop. As we are of the opinion that the appellant did possess the administrative experience of 10 years required for selection to the post of assistant manager in view of the varied nature of work performed by him while working as an X-ray technician, we do not find any reason to take a view different from the one taken by the corporation and the selection committee staff. Therefore, we are of the view that it was not open to the respondents 2 and 3 to challenge the appointment of the appellant and other selected candidates as they were themselves unsuccessful in the test stop. In this connection, reliance can be placed on a decision of this court in the case of Madan Lal and others versus State of J&K and others stop. Accordingly, we are of the view that the High Court was neither justified in interfering with the appointment of the appellant by holding that he did not possess the requisite administrative experience of 10 years while working as an X-ray technician, nor was it open to the High Court to entertain the writ petition challenging the appointment of the appellant and other selected candidates at the instance of the unsuccessful candidates staff. Before parting with this judgment, we may deal with the short submission of the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondents 2 and 3 staff. It is an admitted position that although the respondents 2 and 3 had passed the written examination conducted under the supervision of the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, they were unsuccessful in the oral interview staff. Therefore, according to the learned counsel for the respondents 2 and 3, they did have the locus standi to move the writ application for challenging the appointment of the appellant because they were successful in the written examination staff. In this connection, a decision of this court in the case of AF versus Union of India reported in was strongly relied on staff. In that decision, this court had laid down that an appointment in disregard to the rules is a matter not between the staff.